Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, I cannot speak. I'm feeling very weak. I was to go to other places like Chandigarh, so that, but I cancelled the program because the condition of my health is very deteriorating. So I prepared to come to Vrindavan. If death takes place, let it take place. So there is nothing to be said new. Whatever I have to speak, I have spoken in my books. Now, you try to understand it and continue your endeavor. Whether I am present or not present, it doesn't matter. As Krishna is living eternally, similarly, a living being also lives eternally. But Kirti Jasasa Jivati, one who has done service to the Lord, he lives forever. So, we have been taught to serve Krishna, and with Krishna we live eternally. Our life is eternal. Na hannati hannamane sarire. A temporary disappearance of the body doesn't matter. Body is meant for disappearance. Radhayantara prapti. So, live forever by serving Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.